Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we are going to a place whose name is quite odd, but the place is really spectacular. It is a wooden bridge built around the Yangtze Forest, and we can see many scenic spots from there. The place is around 30 kilometers from our dormitory, and we are halfway there. Yes, we reached our destination. This is our place, Mopan Forest Park, which is built in our Nanchang city, and there is no entry ticket to explore this bridge. Just look at this place. This place is quite beautiful. Han Piaolian. As we go up, we will see the whole city from the bridge. So let's walk and burn our calories. Here comes our first scenic spot, Rose Garden. There is a huge difference in the roses in China and in our India. Roses are quite big here. Oh, I can see many colors of roses here. So let's walk towards our next second spot. we are about to reach our second spot. This place has a totally different vibe. The nature around it is so soothing. We are far away from the howling city where everyone is busy in their own lives. So I am taking a break from that and let's enjoy this view. We can see the Mailing Hills from here. This is our second spot. We are going to stay here till the night to watch the night view of the city from here. Just look at this place in the night. I fell in love with this place. So I'm going to take a leave from you and we meet in the next vlog with a new place. Take care of yourself and your family members. If you really like my work, please give a thumbs up and share this video as much you can. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new here.